Hey Wonderfuls! So we are camping at Chambers Creek this week. It is a cute little campsite. So we pulled in and set up camp, went for a little walk, and registered the campsite. Didn't find the creek yet. We might do that in the morning before we head out to our exciting adventure. We had a little dinner tonight, and the menu was cracked chicken, but not the slow cooker kind that I've done before. I actually just used canned chicken and fried everything up in a pan this time. And it was delicious. So I think we're just going to take it easy for the rest of the night, maybe go on one more little walk. Tomorrow morning the real adventure begins though, as Traja and I have a little hike planned. So we'll see you bright and early in the AM, and I will tell you what we're going to do. Good morning, Wonderfuls. We are all packed up. The campsite is all clean, and we're going to head to our hiking destination. A little bit chilly this morning, but the sun is already out, and I think it's going to be a beautiful day. Perfect conditions. Well, we made it to the Klein Waste Transfer Station. I know that sounds weird, but just trust me, it's a trailhead. I don't think the camera does it justice, but we are going up a bit of a steep slope. Ready, Betty? Let's carry on. So Traja and I did this hike a few years ago. I think I was in better shape then, because since that time I've quit smoking and I am right out of breath already. We're probably only a quarter of the way there. Carrying on. There used to be a sign and a trail marker, but I think this is it now. I hope so. We're venturing down that path. Ready, Judgy? Let's go. A little bridge to cross on. What I'm trying to do. We made it. I didn't run out of breath. I'm so proud of myself. So this, oh lordy, Traja, Jesus. This is Whitegoat Falls. Hey, Drowsy, let's go up there. Going up. Good boy. Oh, she's slippery. What's this little place, eh? Going up further? All the way up. Oh, you be careful. Mountain dog. Hey, we're in the waterfall. Wait. We're right up here. That's what I really like about this one. Not a long hike, and you can go right up into the water. I am so happy we did this. I've been wanting to do this hike for the last couple of years and haven't made it out in the summer, so the end of September, this is kind of my last ditch effort, but so worth it. And of course it's absolutely beautiful today too, like unseasonably beautiful for the end of September, so couldn't have picked a better time. So I'm just catching my breath and then I will head back to the van. A little windy. This is Abraham Lake, and that's the real color. So we are at Abraham Cove, which is a random camping spot. So it's free and user maintained, and there actually is an outhouse out here too, which is kind of a nice surprise. Frickin' sandy beach? Did not expect that. Told you you'd like it. Look at that water. Happy guy? Scoop. Is it cold? Oh, fuck yeah, it's cold. Look how skinny your legs are. Could you be happier? I'm pretty happy with this campsite. It's so pretty. Can you even believe it's free? It is Wednesday, I think. So midweek, and like there's a few people out here, but it's actually pretty quiet. I'm just kind of around dinner time right now. And yeah, it's been nice. We'll see how it goes this evening. It was a little breezy when we rolled in. Oh, still a little breezy. Hopefully it will die down for the night, but we've got the little windbreak tarp set up in the meantime, and the awning is out for a little bit of shade. But the kitties are getting a nice cross-through breeze in the van. I've got all the doors open and screened off, and Draj and I are just sitting in shade. Well, I am. He's moseying around, as he does. So dinner tonight is just going to be reheated cracked chicken from last night, but I'm just going to warm it up, throw some more cheese on it, and then use some nachos to dip in it. Well, I think that's pretty much it for the night. I'm going to maybe have a fire and just listen to some Led Zeppelin before we go to bed. It has been an awesome trip, and I couldn't be happier that we made it out before the weather got too cold. I'm also going to move the wind tarp before I go to bed so that there's not enormous rocks parked behind the van overnight, just in case I gotta whip a Rockford and peel out. Good morning, wonderfuls. Well, I didn't sleep that great last night. I also left the leather cover over my bed and roasted to death, so that's probably why. But it was still really nice to wake up in between beautiful mountains and a gorgeous lake. So I think I'm just gonna make up a quick coffee and then we'll hit the road and head home. But I definitely will be back here. This is so beautiful, quiet, clean, and free.